Look at how delicious. My avocado toast with cheese, my chick patty, nice and crispy, a piece of tomato, and some relish, ketchup, and mayonnaise. Let's go. I'm sitting here eating my mukbang, thinking about what everybody's going to be doing for Coachella this weekend while I sit home and work. So what is everybody doing for Coachella? Bieberchella. Whoops. Let me take a bite. Sourdough bread, avocado, everything seasoning. Gouda cheese. Wow. That tastes so good. And butter I put. Oh my god. That's so good. And my chick patty. Completely just wiped my makeup off. Bye. Alright, now I'm full. I'm gonna take a nap and lay down. Good night.